Here is your full 1600-word style article, no headings, about 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 in English with full details. YouTube optimized style narrative, long-form storytelling format, automotive journalism tone, strong watch time boosting structure. The 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 arrives as one of the most serious and authentic factory off-road full-size trucks ever produced from America. And this truck does not show off just aggressive appearance for display or city use, but it truly brings mechanical engineering depth, chassis strength, electronic control strategy, and everyday usability balance that makes this truck one of the most complete premium off-road lifestyle trucks rolling into 2025. GMC knows that today's truck market is undergoing an evolution where off-road capability is no longer niche, it is becoming a primary identity category for premium truck buyers. And competitors like Ford Tremor, Ford Raptor, Ram Rebel, Ram Power Wagon, Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, and Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 have already fired the shots toward this segment. But the Sierra AT4 is designed for premium outdoor dominant living, towing and cargo reliability, luxury comfort, and real-world off-road capability that works every day, not just once-a-year trail session. This truck is built for the buyer who works during the week and goes to the wild on weekend, and wants a single platform that is both capable and useful. The design of the 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 is instantly recognizable because it brings a bold, athletic, wide, and high posture that projects strength, but the design is not just for looks. The fascia, bumpers and body angles have been shaped to support approach angles, climbing behavior, cooling management and chassis articulation. The signature GMC C-shaped LED lighting returns and now the detailing looks sharper, cleaner and more expensive than before. The grille is darkened for AT4 identity, accented with recognizable red recovery tow hooks that are not only visual identity pieces but functional recovery-rated hardware. The AT4 also rides higher on specifically tuned off-road suspension, giving it better ground clearance to clear obstacles, improved water wading capability, and better confidence in deep terrain driving. The AT4 identity also includes skid plates beneath the body to protect vulnerable mechanical components including the engine sump area, front differential, and transfer case from impact with rocks. Inside the 2025 Sierra AT4, GMC continues the recent interior redesign that has made GMC trucks feel significantly more luxury-focused than many mainstream American trucks of the past generation. The cabin feels premium, modern, tech-refined, and everything inside feels large, wide and trapezoidal with powerful shapes that give a strong masculine theme. Real materials like leather, metal accents and thicker textures create a high-quality premium impression. The driver gets a massive digital cluster, a huge infotainment touchscreen integrated into a newly shaped dashboard, and wireless connectivity support. The seating is comfortable for long-distance driving and suitable for heavy movement trips on off-road surfaces. The cabin focuses on comfort, driving ease, and also driver support because this is a truck that may take long-distance travel deep into nature, forests, mountains, desert, ice, dry riverbeds or wild land where comfort becomes essential for endurance. The 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 offers multiple powertrain options depending on configuration, but one of the primary highlight engines is the 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-six that is extremely admired by off-roaders and long-range explorers because diesel torque delivery is consistent, low RPM powerful, and fuel-efficient. The diesel model provides excellent torque for climbing, controlled power for crawling, and very useful towing capacity. There are also gasoline V8 options depending on market and specification, which give a different personality focusing more on traditional muscle strength and aggressive acceleration. All powertrains are paired with an advanced automatic transmission and the truck uses a sophisticated four-wheel drive system with low-range transfer case support. This combination makes the Sierra AT4 suitable for rock crawling, steep hill environments, deep mud, sand, forest trail use, and heavy towing. The truck also integrates traction mapping systems that help distribute power effectively and maintain directional stability even when one or more tires temporarily lose normal ground contact or traction. The Sierra AT4 also benefits from GMC's modern electronics safety suite, which includes highway driver assist technology, large towing visibility camera system, blind spot support, lane guidance support, crash avoidance support, and parking assistance. In addition, GMC includes off-road specific camera setups that show underbody angles, trail forward indication, wheel placement relative to terrain obstacles, and approach angle visualization to help the driver navigate challenging terrain with greater accuracy. These cameras are extremely beneficial when driving through sharp rock formations or narrow cliffside trails, where one wrong judgment in wheel placement can damage the vehicle or make the difference between a safe pass and mechanical disaster. GMC uses high-resolution camera technology to improve driver confidence and reduce risk when driving in aggressive environments. Another major functional advantage of the Sierra AT4 is the MultiPro tailgate system, which allows the truck bed to have multiple configurations where the tailgate can fold and change position to create steps, extended workspace, bed partition setups, and loading management configurations. This innovation is extremely practical and not just a marketing showpiece. Many truck owners use their truck bed as a workspace for construction, photography equipment deployment, hunting gear staging, mountain biking preparation, overlanding gear organization, camping cooking setups, drone equipment foundation, and more. The MultiPro tailgate turns the truck into a full outdoor workstation platform, and this gives the Sierra AT4 a powerful utility advantage. In terms of towing and payload rating, the Sierra AT4 is competitive and extremely capable. GMC knows that off-road lifestyle truck buyers also want towing power for large trailers, campers, boats, and equipment haulers. GMC engineers the chassis for structural rigidity and uses advanced cooling and programming for tow support. The truck includes trailer sway management, brake controller integration, trailer camera support, hitch guidance systems, and torque delivery calibration that makes towing heavy loads smoother and safer. This entire towing intelligence package makes the truck one of the top outdoor towing platforms of 2025. The Sierra AT4 is not a pure super performance desert racing truck like a Baja targeted Raptor or TRX platform, but it does not need to be. Its mission is premium durability, premium off-road daily usability, and top lifestyle versatility. This truck is engineered for reliability during real off-road living, where comfort and mechanical dependability affect daily quality of life. Many outdoors-oriented Americans who live mountainside, forest regions, ranch or rural soil terrain need a truck that can take punishment daily while still performing daily commuting duties, and this is where the Sierra AT4 becomes extremely relevant. The cabin ergonomics, tactile feel of controls, steering resistance, pedal calibration, and seating comfort reflect modern luxury truck standards. This truck is not meant to feel primitive or punishing inside simply because it is off-road capable. GMC understands that the modern off-road buyer wants luxury comfort with adventure capability. The Sierra AT4 gives this duality perfectly. The audio system is premium branded depending on trim and can be configured with advanced speakers that deliver strong audio experience. Night cabin ambience feels calm, modern and expensive. The large central screen integrates Google Automotive OS-based services and apps that simplify phone integration, maps, audio control, smart route recommendation and off-road location mapping. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless support is standard. The entire digital core of the truck feels futuristic, and this matters because modern buyers want connectivity and digital ecosystem integration in trucks now more than ever. In the rear seating area, passengers are given generous space due to the full-size platform architecture. Long trips with full family or group off-road adventures become enjoyable because passengers have legroom, shoulder space and seat comfort to last hours of travel stress-free. Rear seat storage innovation and under-seat access helps secure equipment and accessories. For overlanding trips, storage and organization becomes extremely important because gear quantity increases, so this interior practicality is valuable. The chassis engineering behind the Sierra AT4 is built with durability as the top priority. The suspension travel is optimized to maintain grip during uneven articulation without losing control and keeping vehicle stable. Shock absorbers and dampers are tuned to absorb high compression energy and repeated vibration from rocks without fatiguing components prematurely. Skid plates are strong enough to resist direct rock impact without deforming easily. Wheel and tire packages chosen for the AT4 are off-road focused but balanced enough to remain comfortable on highway asphalt. This dual balance again supports the philosophy that the Sierra AT4 is built for real-world daily mixed usage, not only specialized weekend racing. The aerodynamic design is optimized for reduced wind resistance and noise. Active grille shutters help thermal management while maintaining aerodynamic stability. GMC focuses on fuel efficiency improvement for such a large truck by integrating engineering that keeps drag minimal while still giving strong front identity. For a full-size off-road truck, this is important because aerodynamic management results in better highway fuel behavior and lower running cost. The diesel Duramax particularly shows excellent cruising efficiency, which makes it great for long-distance expedition road trips. Future reliability confidence is also a major part of Sierra AT4 philosophy. GMC as a brand is positioned as a premium American truck brand, and the Sierra AT4 ownership culture is built on long-term durability belief. People who buy these trucks keep them for multiple years, modify them, build overlanding systems, and trust the structure to last. This psychological trust element is extremely important today because the market wants trucks that can actually function in harsh climate, strong seasonal temperature differences, heavy loads and repeated trail impact conditions. For 2025, Sierra AT4 stands in the new off-road luxury era as one of the strongest candidates for buyers who want a premium lifestyle truck that truly matches capability and comfort balance. It is a truck made for those who want to push beyond paved road, explore nature deeply, but not sacrifice premium comfort, modern digital features, and high build quality interior. This truck fits adventure lifestyle creators, camping lifestyle families, overlanding explorers, outdoor workers, lake house owners, mountain region hunters, or anyone who simply wants a full-size truck that feels bold, premium and unstoppable. The 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 is a symbol that the future of trucks is not only about horsepower races or full luxury interior battles. The future is about balanced purpose vehicles that upgrade your life experience, your outdoor mobility, your work flexibility, your creative project capability, and your journey confidence. When you choose the Sierra AT4, you are choosing a truck that lets you go further, climb higher, reach places that normal vehicles cannot reach, turn your weekends into real adventure, turn your road into discovery, and turn your lifestyle into a story.